Niphai Crit Rock Arni Kang Sampor Phai Plirach Timapor Gotham Basti Parlo Karagaon Aro Amekar Karitang Siam Bahadur Chetri Asupi Sangita Chetri Pen Akorte Sunita Muriatum Angbong Longlelam Ki Kedosai Puthak Pirangkia Mai Kang Nipon Somsi Sunita Muria Bang Karitang Siam Bahadur Chetri Along Liam Menalong 7 billion 2K 17 Elalong Lialong demarcation ke claim jelong ke choklim pen kali nasi demarcation ke claim pon along ke nili chedon dun thek the pusi pherang ke along Sangita Chetri pen lamthi chipaklang pon
of this press briefing is to give statement on the illegal demarcation notice served to me on 8 August 2025. I am Srimati Sangita Chetri, daughter of late Shyam Bahadur Chetri. I have been living on and cultivating my father's land peacefully for the last 4 decades. I am the sole possessor of this land. Under the Indian law, I have acquired lead ownership through adverse possession. My sister Sarita and my sister-in-law Rashmi have no claim on this property and favor my possession. Only my sister Sunita Muri, who lives in Nagaland who is not in possession, has raised a land dispute before the Secretary Revenue because she wants to sell my father's land. I only want to keep my father's land alive through this land. I only want to keep my father's name alive through this land. Under Section 97 of the ALRR, Assam Land and Land Revenue Regulation 1886.
Sangti Dipen Projenterang Karbing Long Life.